Are you looking to earn money online, but feel overwhelmed by the countless options and unsure of where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're a complete beginner or just exploring new opportunities, I've got you covered with simple, effective methods that actually work. Over the years, I've tried numerous ways to make money online. Some were successful, while others turned out to be complete wastes of time. After lots of trial and error, I've narrowed it down to the 5 best ways for beginners to earn a steady income online. These methods are accessible worldwide, don't require fancy degrees, and can fit into almost any schedule. Let's dive into these opportunities and see how you can start building your online income today. The first on my list is going to be freelancing and content creation. This is perfect if you enjoy things like writing, graphic design, or editing short videos. Video editing, in particular, is in huge demand. Don't worry, you don't need any degree or formal experience to do these freelance jobs. If you're a bit creative, you're already halfway there. Now you can learn video editing, graphic design, even though you're not a naturally creative person. Beginners in freelance writing, graphic design, and video editing typically make $15 to $30 per hour, which can translate to $1,100 to $2,000 per month depending on how much you work. With experience, that number can go even higher. To find these jobs, skip crowded platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Instead, try Contra, which is great for beginners in creative work. Skyward is ideal for writing, design, and photography or videography gigs. Behance is another amazing job board for design-related opportunities. If you're looking for stability and consistency, consider remote customer service or virtual assistant roles. Tasks usually involve managing emails, scheduling, or basic customer support. These roles are straightforward and pay well, with beginners earning $10 to $25 per hour, or around $1,200 to $2,500 monthly, depending on your workload and location. To find virtual assistant jobs, check out platforms like Belay Solutions, 24/7 VA, and Athena Assistants. Keep in mind that some platforms, like Smith.ai, may hire only from specific regions. Up next is something we're all familiar with: social media. Why not get paid to manage social media accounts for small businesses? Entrepreneurs often lack the time to manage their accounts, creating opportunities for freelancers. Beginners can earn $15 to $25 per hour, with experienced social media managers earning $30 to $50 per hour or more. To find jobs, create an optimized Upwork account and look for social media management projects. You can also find opportunities on Threads, X, formerly Twitter, LinkedIn, and platforms like Simply Hired or FlexJobs. One of my favorite methods is selling digital products like ebooks, templates, printables, or stock photos. Digital products can provide passive income since you only need to create them once, but can sell them repeatedly. Beginners might earn $50 to $500 per month, while experienced sellers can make thousands. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are great for selling digital products. If you could create and sell one digital product, what would it be? Type it in the comments section. Finally, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals who are called affiliates promote products or services of companies and earn a commission for every sale or action completed through their unique referral link. It's a win-win model for both companies and affiliates. Businesses gain more exposure and sales, while affiliates can generate income without owning the product. How to start affiliate marketing. Understand the basics. Research and learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Understand how to generate traffic, create content, and promote products effectively. Choose a niche. Select a specific niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. For example, niches like health and fitness, technology, beauty, or finance are popular and lucrative. Find an affiliate program. Join affiliate programs or networks. These platforms connect affiliates with businesses. Examples include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Create a platform. Build a medium to promote products such as a blog or website, a YouTube channel, social media platforms, e.g., Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Promote affiliate products. Use your platform to create valuable and engaging content that incorporates your affiliate links. This could be through product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, or recommendations. Track performance and optimize. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links using tools provided by the affiliate program. Adjust your strategies to improve conversions. Platforms to start with are Amazon Associates, suitable for promoting physical products. It's globally accessible, but has regional variations in its programs, e.g., Amazon US, Amazon UK. You can also check ClickBank. Focuses on digital products like ebooks and courses. Available worldwide in most regions. CJ Affiliate is also another. Offers a wide range of products from various companies and is globally accessible. Share A Sale. Supports diverse niches and is open to affiliates from most countries. Then PartnerStack, another platform you can check out. Ideal for software and SaaS products, usable worldwide. Rakuten Marketing. Provides access to global brands, but has stricter requirements for affiliates. Always check the availability and terms of each platform in your country before starting. How much can a beginner make? Affiliate marketing income varies depending on effort, niche, and strategy. As a beginner, first few months, an affiliate's earnings may range from $0 to $100 per month as you build your audience. With consistent effort, some beginners earn $500 to $1,000 per month. Once established, experienced affiliates can make thousands of dollars monthly, but this requires scaling your platform and audience. Your success depends on factors such as the quality of your content, the relevance of your niche, and your ability to drive traffic to your affiliate links. These methods are practical, accessible, and proven to work if you stay consistent and put in the effort. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Check out the next video YouTube will recommend for you, and is how to create stunning logos using AI. Stay safe and see you there.